Good morning from Myrtle Beach. It's the day after Ian. You can see 4th Avenue beach access. The water came all the way up, well past the boardwalk. A lot of debris. Very little damage, just a lot of storm surge. Went right over the boardwalk. And we actually had the water come up close, up to the buildings actually. So see all the sand that was pushed up. This is all sand. The city has already been by this morning, long before the sun came up, or is coming up, and scooped up 99% of the debris. This was covered, just covered in debris down here on the boardwalk. You couldn't even walk past it, couldn't walk through it. It was everywhere. There's still some remaining. You can see where the storm surge came up, blew right through the dunes. Here comes the city now with the front end loader. Clean up some more debris. See where it just kind of we used to have sand dunes here. Sunrise coming up. Just a little drop off here. No dunes. We are duneless. Took years and years for those sand dunes to build up. In a couple hours, they are completely gone. You can see where the barrier sticks were that we built those things over years. Built those sand dunes. You can see a little bit of that wooden fence is remaining. That's about it. The dunes are gone. Ironically, the first thing you see when you come down here, as you see, keep off the dunes. Gonna be pretty easy now since there aren't any. The beach just got annihilated. I understand the 2nd Avenue Pier, I think, sustained a little more damage. They have cleaned up a lot of debris this morning in the city. I have to say they've done a pretty good job. They have really been at work this morning. See the storm surge just annihilated our initial dunes here. Kind of went up through the grassy area and all the way up here. See where the beach used to go right up to that That was all covered up with sand and beach. You can see now and this water went halfway up the street there. Alright, well, that's all I got. Good morning from Myrtle Beach, where we are duneless.